All right, so I'm back from vacation. It's been about a week. I've done quite a bit of work, not only on the database, but also on some of the database functions in Node. So I'm just going to go through some of those just so I don't get too far ahead of the videos. So I found this really cool site that helped me visualize my database. What's the real word for them? Data modeling, whatever the word is for showing you your tables in SQL. So this kind of helped me visualize how I wanted things to work. Now this is not the final schema, but it was pretty close enough to it to help me get a kind of a visual ideal. So mainly over here on the right are things only dealing with the music table, so songs, albums, artists. And then basically everything else here is a user interaction on top of these three core music tables. So that is obviously favorites, likes. I have ratings, but I didn't put them down in this schema. So favorites, likes, ratings, and then reviews. And obviously for all of those things, there needs to be an object that you are reviewing. So you need to have a song to review a song, and then you need to have a user ID to review a song. So we're gonna have both of those be our primary key or the composite key. So that's basically how it is for most things, for likes, favorites, even ratings. So they're basically just copied and pasted tables, but hey, whatever. So let's hop in to MySQL. Um, so I pretty much fleshed out more of the database. So likes, favorites, song likes, song ratings, album ratings, song favorites. So we're getting much more realistic, fleshed out data, as well as just a whole bunch of dummy data. So that way, when I am querying it and messing around with it, I have realistic data, because the leap from fake dummy data to real insert data is not a big leap. Um, because with this data I have now, I can basically set up the entire app, front end and back end, and then just pipe in real data either via the back end or the front end because it'll be working. Um, so yeah, and then I just was messing around with some queries down here. But yeah, so let's hop into Node, JS, or JavaScript or whatever now, and let's show what I've been working on. So basically, I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I basically put everything inside this one big database file just because certain things in here reference other things also in here. Like to get the albums associated with a user, I need to call get album. So I don't know if that's a good idea or a bad idea to abstract it completely to this file, because already this file is 500 lines and it's talking about different things. So I want to split it up, but I'm just not too sure if, or just I'm not too sure if that's the decision I want to make yet. So so we're just exporting these functions. Basically, what I've been working on is just straight up database functions from Node, and then trying to organize that data response in a way that when the front end app calls it, it is useful and not just messed up or whatever. So we'll hop down here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a console log in here just because um, I haven't fixed it yet. All right, so let's get the server up and running. It's already running. Bum bum bum. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty messy, even when I'm trying to explain it. Um, Bum, bum, bum. Looks like I broke my app at some point, but whatever. The point is, we're gonna start another video.